Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. So I'm I don't know if I want to keep Christmas alive necessarily, but I do want a chance to continue using my winter Christmas products just a little bit longer. So let me show you some of the projects that I made. So I'm using the Yeti Set Go from Lawn Fawn, Winter Village, and then I'm using, let's see, 2 different gingerbreads from Lawn Fawn, the little mini ones, and then the Smart Cook or the Oh Snap. I just used Hope Your Birthday is the Sweetest on this one, and then I used this Anya, which I thought I had in this pile, but apparently I didn't, and these birch trees, which are from AliExpress. So let's start with this one since it's up in the front. So this is Anya number, I can't remember if it's 7 or 8. It might be 8. And Holiday Anya 8. And so I did not get her to ink her up at all. Brand new stamp. I really wanted to use her. So I did a winter scene, and it says celebrate today. And then that way, if I wanted to make it a holiday card, I could. I can make it a thank you card. I can make it a birthday card. I can make it whatever I want. Leave it blank, write a note. So what I did here was I did an ink background, and I used a, what do you want to call it? A stencil from Tim Holtz. It's like a snow type stencil, and I used some, let's see, what do you call this stuff? Some glitter paste. And for the trees, I cut them out using the die. I did a little bit of ink on them, and then I did some stenciling with, actually stenciling, I just put some of this glitter paste on here. And then I put, once it was all done, then I took my white gel pen and I put the white pen all over her so it looked like snow on her. She colored my Copics. It was actually a really easy card to make. I did do some masking. So I masked this part, I masked her, so I stamped her out, and then I cut it out and I put a mask on her, and then I just masked the snow area. So that was a fun card. And then this card, I just tried to use sort of non-Christmassy colors for this, and I put the You're a Rare Find as my sentiment. This paper is, I think it's die cuts with a view, Magical Holiday. Had in my stash. I got it from Tuesday Morning a couple of years ago. So there's this one. And then this, I used a brand new die that I'm going to be showing in a haul very shortly. And so this has a very Valentine's Day feel, but I made it into a birthday card. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to give this card to my niece. She has a birthday in January, actually January 9th. She really loves Harry Potter, so I was kind of wanting to use my new Harry Potter paper and my new, not my new, but I have some Harry Potter-like stamps that I want to try and use with that. But I do love this for a birthday card or Valentine's Day card. And this is actually Christmas paper. But red also is Valentine's Day, or it could be any. And then I just stamped all my little gingerbreads. I colored them out, cut them out. I used my favorite heart little stickers there. And then Hope Your Birthday is the Sweetest. That is from that Avery L stamp. So I think that one is really, really cute. So that is my card share. Just trying to use, getting a chance to use some Christmas product or holiday product before it gets put away for at least 6 months. So I just thought it'd be kind of fun to play around with that. So thank you very much for watching. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.